It's a good day when you get your Bronco back from the shop and you have something new to install. So my Mountains2Metal Squatch Basket showed up today. It's a no drill installation, so this should be pretty quick. We'll just do a fun little unboxing in the meantime. Lots of bubble wrap to throw away. Probably could have used a smaller box, but whatever. A couple little pieces of hardware here. I may or may not read the instructions. And here's the basket. These days, nobody bothers with printed instructions, which is probably a good idea. You have to scan a QR code, probably take me to a PDF, and I know there's plenty of YouTube videos already on this. Most importantly, Sasquatch approved. It looks like the included hardware is only for soft tops. In the case of a hardtop, you remove the driver side panel. And we'll do that now, and then you just loosen the passenger. And there we go. The front latches up here are obviously a little bit snugger. The metal's not terribly thick. There we go. We've got the basket. And then most importantly, the reason that I wanted the basket is for out on trail rides. You can just hang the microphone up out of the way. Should work for now. Although I'm not quite sure what else I'll put in the basket.